This is Scott's Hunts, and today I'm out digging around an old nature trail. There used to be an old house, an old foundation that sat right here, and over here I'm not really sure what this stone structure is. It could be more recent. Almost looks like a barbecue grill or something. There's picnic tables, and there's a trail that goes back probably a mile back in the woods. But my first dig, I started walking back here by these big, huge walnut trees, or one walnut tree anyway. Oh, there is a couple walnut trees. And my first signal, not sure what it is, but I dug this thing. It has an eagle on it. Really cool, whatever it is. I have no clue. I'll get pictures of it. Anyone knows what this is, leave a comment. Alright, I'm gonna keep searching this area. Okay, my next hole, I have some sort of metal object. I'm not sure what it is. Could be part of a hand tool or something. But if anybody knows what this is, leave a comment. Right, I'll do that. Next hole, I just popped out a 1960D penny. Right, keep searching. Right, here's another pretty cool unknown. I have no clue what it is. But alright, if anyone knows what this thing is, let me know. Has hearts in it. Right, keep searching. Right, I am on the silver now. I just popped me a 1964 Rosie. Look at that. Boom, it was like 2 inches deep. I thought it was just a regular dime. Alright, keep searching. Alright, next hole, got me a penny. It's 1959D. Right, keep going. Okay, my next hole, I just found a cool token. It has an eagle on it, and on the back of it, it says no cash value. It's the size of a quarter. Check that out. That's cool. Alright, gonna keep searching. Check this out, I just dug a huge buckle. It's probably from a horse, possibly. I don't know. Check that out. It's iron. Alright. I'm gonna keep searching. This thing's pretty cool. I'll be back. Right, next hole, I just found me a little D buckle. Another steel one, or iron one. Alright, keep searching. Alright, my next hole, not really sure what it is, if it's like a light off something or a cap off something. Could be off a car. Looks like it used to be chrome. Can't really tell what it is. Alright, another unknown. If anyone has any idea, leave a comment. Keep going. Alright, just pulled my first wheat penny of the day. It's a 1958D. Here we go. On the wheat. Keep searching. Alright, I'm on the silver again. I just found me another rosy. Spray it off real quick. It is 1957. 1957. No mint mark. Boom. All right. Keep searching.